Welcome to Mike's Kitchen.
Welcome. Thanks for joining Mike and Mike's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to do a New York strip steak, pan-seared, finished off in the oven. We're only going to use a couple basic ingredients this time. Basically, we're going to use kosher salt with some black pepper mixed in, and of course some garlic powder. So first to begin, we're going to go ahead and coat down both sides of this steak with garlic powder. Be as liberal as you like. And then I'm going to finish it off with just some salt, kosher salt, and cracked black pepper. And I'm just going to rub that in as well. Try to coat as much as you can. Now I'm going to flip this guy over and do the same. At this point, let me rinse my hands. And now we're going to go ahead and add about a couple tablespoons of virgin olive oil to the skillet. The oven's already been preheated to 400, so what we're going to do basically is once we put this in here, we're going to sear one side for 3 minutes. And then we're going to flip it over and sear the other side for about 3 minutes. And at that point, we're going to take our heat-safe pan and put it in the oven for approximately 8 minutes. Ultimately, we're trying to get an internal temperature of 165 for a medium, 160 for a medium steak. So at this point, we're ready to go ahead and add this to the skillet. I have the meat thermometer here. We're looking for 160, 165 for a medium. So I'm just going to set this aside for now. Ultimately, we just want to lay this in here and let it cook on one side for 2 minutes before flipping it over. There we go. We're going to come back here in about 2-3 minutes. And we're back. The timer just went off for the 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and flip this. So the other side you can get a nice crust going. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and spread that back over. Excellent. Now at this point, we're going to let it sit again for another 3 minutes. And at that point, we're going to move it to the oven. Okay, we're back, guys. The timer's gone off. At this point, we're ready to pretty much move it into the oven. We're going to go ahead and put it in the oven at 400 for approximately 4, maybe 5 minutes. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and take out the timer's gone off, so let's go ahead and pull it out. And we're just going to test it now for temp. Make sure it's done. We'll go in a couple different spots. At 149 on that side. And we'll go in the thicker spot right here. And it's 159. So yeah, this is definitely done. Ready to eat. At this point, we're just going to let it cool down. They say let the meat rest for about 10 minutes before you start cutting into it. So here's the end result, folks. I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. I'll let it rest for approximately 10 minutes. And we'll just go ahead and cut it in half and see how it looks. Oh, yeah, look at that. Looks perfect. Go ahead and cut off another little sliver. Just so everyone can see. Perfect steak. Hey, thanks for watching Mike's Kitchen. You all have a great evening.